meditative journaling journey. Get your journal ready. And today we will go to the beam of light. Have your dream with you? What is on your heart? And before we start, I give you 3 questions that will help you to unload the information and transform this information so you can shift your vibration to reality that you want to be in. As you know, whatever you want already exists in parallel reality, and whatever you want calling you out. And all you need to do is shift your vibration, and when your vibration match reality you want to be in, everything will shift almost instantly. Ready? Good. Okay, so question number 1. What dream is alive in my heart right now, quietly calling me forward? Allow yourself to remember your future, remember that reality you want to be in. Question number 2. How do I want to feel when this dream is already my reality? Feeling. Try to feel it in your body. Question number 3. What vibration, energy, or inner state do I choose to align to meet my dream? It's all about vibration. Take a moment, put down on a paper what you just would come up to you. Unload what is on your heart. You can pause the video, and whenever you're ready, we move on. Take a slow, deep breath in and long and gentle breath out. And start to connect with your body, with your breathing. Adjust your body, get comfortable. You want to stretch maybe before you connect to your body completely. You want to cover your feet. You want to put extra pillow. And make another deep inhale and slowly exhale. Feel your body soften. Dive deep within. Breathe comfortably. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. You see tall trees surrounding you, ancient and wise. The air feels fresh, clean, alive. You notice now the earth beneath your feet, soft, supportive grounding. Breathe, relax your belly. Open up your shoulders and take a first step. You feel safe. You feel guided. And you feel welcome. And you begin walk slowly along the peaceful path. With every step, the colors around you start to change, feeling your vibration. Breathe comfortably. All greenery become more richer. The light become more warmer. The air feels lighter as it recognizes you. And you start to recognize this very place. And you start to feel this excitement and connection within, right in your chest, in your belly. You feel welcome. You feel you belong here. You feel you expected here. And you are supported. Whisper to yourself, I walk with trust. I walk with grace. Each step aligned with time and space. Make a deeper inhale and allow those words come through you. And as slowly you move forward, you start to notice something ahead of you, something bright ahead of you. In a distance, not too far, not too close. And now you realize it's a huge beam of light begin to appear. More vividly. It shimmers in golden and silver tones, soft, radiant, and alive. The light gently pulses among, almost like a breathing. And somehow it feels so familiar to you. It feels like beam inviting you come closer. You feel naturally drawn towards it, as if your soul remember this very frequency. Whisper to yourself, I follow light that feels like home. I'm safely guided, never alone. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale and come back to your natural breathing. And with every step you take towards the beam, you start to feel this vibration from your feet up to very top of your head, like a wave go through your body. A gentle hum that moves through your body. And your vibration and this vibration of the beam meet each other and balance each other. More like you adjusting because the beam's so big and powerful. It's perfect. It's empowering. It fills you up. It's matching you. It's aligned and synchronized. Your frequency and vibration. Slowly whisper to yourself, my energy rises, steady and true. I meet the light where dreams come true. You know that just in few steps, you will stand inside the beam of light. This is the space where frequency responds instantly, where intention become information, where energy listen to your dream, and your intuition shows you exactly what you need to see. As you step into the center of the beam, you feel warmth along your spine, from bottom of your feet up to your spine and on top of your head and out up. Breathe with this flow. Start to feel this circulation of energy from bottom up and beyond. And that's where your frequency align. At the base of your spine, a gentle heat awakens, grounding you. You feel more stable and supported. At the top of your head, soft vibration opens to expand you. And now you feel expansion from top. Your body feels safe, pleasant, and deeply aligned. Stay with this vibration. Whisper to yourself, I am the signal. I am the key. What I align with flows to me. And now, silently, place your dream into the light, the dream you came with. And clarity come to you. It's not a wish, it's a frequency that you came here to synchronize with. And step in that parallel reality that you already live your dream. Relax your belly, allow this vibration align. Feel this dream breathing inside of you already. As you stand in the beam, old patterns begin to loosen naturally, easy. You feel the flow of a new vibration enters your body. You may imagine how old programs dissolving like a mist. Breathe comfortably. Outdated thoughts gently disappear. Emotional memories softening, releasing and transforming. Just watch what's happening and keep your dream you came here with on the top of your head, that you live your dream now. Whisper to yourself, what no longer fits now fades away. I choose new codes, a brighter way. You choosing your way. You choosing your vibration. You are choosing the reality you want to be in. And now you rewrite yourself, recording. And new codes download effortlessly and easy with your breathing. You feel expansion. You feel confidence, invisibility. You visit, you see it. You feel ease to receiving. And trust in your timing. You have this dream for a reason. And you're here for a reason. You've been guided here carefully. Make a little bit deeper inhale. Slowly exhale. Your comfort zone gently stretches. You expanding. Whisper to yourself, I grow with ease. I grow with flow. My comfort widens as I glow. Relax your belly, relax your body. Adjust for your new comfort zone. Your breathing helping you. Trust the process. Some images may appear, some ideas may surface. Unexpected visions might flash gently before you. Just trust, watch it. The right information will guide you. Nothing needs to be explained as of yet. It's just the clues for next puzzle. Your intuition speaks in symbols, feelings, and sensations. And your body begins to experience the reality of the dream. Not someday, right now. Breathe into your dream. This is your reality. Now confidence settle in your chest. Clarity whispers instead of should it? Should it? What if it's possible? What if it's much easier than you think? And it is. It's all vibration. Keep your vibration. Whisper to yourself, I trust the signs. I trust the way. My inner knowing leads my day. You feel it. You feel that version of you in that reality that you've always been thinking about, but now you step in. You are there now. And you leave your dream here. All you need to adjust your body, adjust every cell in your body with this knowing it's yours. Keep your vibration, breathe deeply. Allow the process go through you. Your body start to recognize it. It's safe. Relax your belly. Breathe comfortably. Stay here a few moments longer. Let the frequency stabilize. Let these feelings become more familiar to your body. You entering the parallel reality that it was calling you. That's why you're here. You're here for a reason. Trust your intuition. Trust your heart. You feel that beautiful expansion and a new comfort zone for you. And now you look around and you see how this beautiful, strong beam of light becomes softened and starts slowly fade away, but vibrations stay in you. And now you feel this confidence. You shift it now. Remember this vibration. You shift it. Hold this vibration. Store it in every cell of your body with your breathing. Integrate in every cell of your body. The beam of light slowly disappeared, like shimmering, disappeared with this light. And now you see this beautiful forest around you. Look even more magical than before. You feel this echo of this hum, of this all energy go away. Take a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. Connect with your body. Breathe. Get back to present. Get back to your presence. You just reprogram your body, your mind, and your nervous system. You feel it, you know that it is your new reality. All you need to do is keep this vibration as you feel right now. You recharged and you aligned. Whisper to yourself, I move ahead with light and grace. My dream is near. I feel its place. You connect it now. You can gently move your fingers, move your toes, and when you're ready, you can open your eyes or you can just fall asleep and allow all this vibration integrated you even more. And in the end of this video, I put the questions for you to journal and unload even more information that will channel through you. I will see you in the next video. Congratulations, you are just shifted to reality you want to be in.